Hello? Oh god. We have 2 hours left. Oh dear. Let me check my notebook. What needs to be done? Stand by. I have 3 things left on my to-do list, which is pretty good. They're all pretty minor. We don't have a tutorial. And I think that's probably the most relevant to-do item. I still haven't figured out what the controls for the game should be. I think it should just be arrow keys. Input map. We got W and S. I've got Z and X in here. I think I want to get rid of 1 and 2. I definitely want to get rid of A and D. Let's add up arrow, down arrow. Try it with a controller. Where's my controller? I gotta go get it. I think it's still in my backpack from traveling. Let's see. Can we add buttons with this? It's not connected to my computer. Bluetooth. Two minutes in and it's already out of control? What's out of control? My stream? Paired? Why is it flashing if it's paired? Why? Okay, let's make you... Oh wait, no, don't remove it. It just connected. Oof. And it just went up to 100% battery? Okay, cool. Huh. Joypad 1. Joypad 0. Now we're going. In theory, this makes the game completely playable with the controller. Let's give it a try. So here's what my game looks like at present. The audio might be a little bit out of whack. Let's see. Can I select? Oh no, there's no way for me to select the UI. That's annoying. Let's see.
How do robots pay for things? With cash, of course.
Why did the chicken cross the road? To get to the other farm.
Oh no.
Get off stage. That's our time. Have a great night.
That's my game. So it would be worth adding controller support for the menu. How do we do that? I think there's a way to add like a shortcut. Oh, thank you. There's a way to add a shortcut to a button. I've done this before. Shortcut. New shortcut. Add element. Joypad button. Configure. We can also add one for joypad button. Start. Can I save this as a controller shortcut? And then I can bring it over to my other button. Where's my other button? I know we got two buttons. Here's the other button. We can go to shortcut, quick load, controller shortcut. Okay. Should be good now. Let's give it another run.
What's the difference between invalid and outlaws?
It's hard with the controller.
Outlaws are wanted. Lawful. What do you call Santa's helpers?
Actually, it's
Subordinate clauses.
not bad with the controller.
Not funny. That's our time. Have a great night.
I'm pretty happy with how this game is coming along though. It's really silly. So I just added controller support, which wasn't one of the 3 things on my to-do list, which means we still are behind schedule. Controller support. But controller support's cool. I never have that in my games, so I'm glad I can have it for once. What do we do next? I think, well, technically that covers the keybinds as well. So we did do one of the 3 things. So the next thing to do is the tutorial. Okay. I could use some external feedback on this one. What do you think would explain, first of all, do you understand how the game is played from watching? And 2, I guess I need to know the first answer first. Yeah, so there's 2 buttons for the whole game. I don't know if there's a better time to hit it. The timing doesn't matter as long as it's just you either get it or you don't. Because it's already so insanely hard without timing. Like, watch me just fail.
My wife told me to stop acting a flamingo.
I can't even.
I had to put my foot down. Raffle. I put my granny firm speed dial the other day. I call it Instagram.
Hee 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 hee.
That's our time. Have a great night.
Yeah, there's one for the top and one for the bottom. Exactly. I'm thinking about adding a horizontal line across here. To make that clearer. I could also, I have space on the left. I could put two like icons that show you the keys. Yeah, I agree. I'm thinking potentially something before that that just gets your fingers on the right keys. So like just a little pop-up that like tells you what to press. And you just hit one of the keys to dismiss it. Okay. Horizontal line first. So we need a, let's do it with a H separator. So it's going to be like this. And then theme styles line. Let's make it like 4 pixels and some subtle color. Actually, maybe it's lighter. No, lighter looks weird because of the shiny thing. Mm. I wonder if this should be behind the shiny thing. Wait, where did it go? Oh, I put it. Yeah, I think it should be part of the background like that.
I put my grandma in speed dial the other day. I call it Instagram up.
No, I've whiffed the punchline.
How do robots know their income now? With cash, of course.
Use your words.
That's our time. Have a great night.
God. This is certainly a game. Okay. So what we need is like, okay, what keys would you play this game with if you were gonna play this game? So you need like 2 keys, preferably vertical from each other. I've been playing it with W and S. I feel like Q and A also makes sense. But I don't know what like the default should be. Should it just be arrow keys? Q and A is kind of good because you can like Right-handed typist, INJ? INJ? What fingers would you use for INJ? Your two, like, your index and your middle finger? That feels so unnatural for me to position there. I feel like it'd be better if it... Oh, wait. No, INJ. No, I see what you're saying. No. I was on INK, and I was like, this feels wrong. INJ feels good. Let's add INJ. I mean, it doesn't hurt to overload the crap out of the oops, the key map. Just want to make it accessible as possible. Now I kind of want like E and F, but no. I think I'm gonna make the icons say Q and A. You make a good point. WS, is that less confusing? Or should it just be... See, if it's just up and down, I feel like that's confusing too. I think WS is pretty good. Yeah, but up and down arrow, like, how do I make it clear that it's a key and not just like... I don't know. Let's, So what control do we even use for this? I guess we can just use a panel with a theme override. So this goes somewhere by the H separator. Smaller inner one, also a bit higher than center. That might work. Let's try it. First, I need to figure out how to get this thing into its position, which is always a nightmare. Okay. What position are we using for the other ones? They're like 0.1 to 0.4. Got it. Layout, anchors, custom, 0.1, 0.4. That doesn't look particularly right. Why would 0.4 be so far down? Oh, wait a minute. No, I know what's happening. 0.1, 0.4. Anchor offsets. Oh, shoot. No. I feel like I want like 0.9 or I don't even know. But now it's like not wide enough. I think this is the wrong way to do this. Okay, new plan. VBox. Not parented to that. Where did it go? No, expand. Hmm. But I don't have a way to make it a square. Unless I give it an aspect ratio container, huh? Where the heck is it? Oh. 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 Look at me go. Oh, 2 boxes for the price of one? Are you kidding me? Come on, you're impressed. You can admit that you're impressed here. I won't tell anybody. Now we can move the anchors on this thing to bring these in a little bit. Actually, we probably want to bring them in a lot more than that, so that they're not just way off to the side. Squares. Theme overrides. So we're gonna get a new style box. It's not gonna have a background color, but it is gonna have a border. With corners, of course. You gotta have the rounded corners. Now, content margins and expand margins. Can we do minus? No, you can't do minus in the expand. That would be too convenient. Alright, can we add a margin container to this? Put this in here. Well, that's kind of a lot. So I'm thinking maybe the border is a little thick. Okay. Now in here, we can add a label. The label be full width. This one's gonna say S. Oh, geez, what happened to the label? Why does it look so wonky? Is that just the weird font I'm using? Put it in the middle. That's a weird looking S. I don't really like that S. Let's try the other ones that I have. No, that's the one you already have. Whoa. Well, none of them are particularly good. Yeah, I mean, these are all like quirky fonts as well. I think I like this one. I don't even use this one anywhere. So I'm gonna say W. What if we just give it like a little tiny bit of... No, that breaks everything. It looks like it already has margin there. So maybe the bottom margin is just like 0. Oh, but that makes it weird. Hey, Denby. What if these are less? But this is more. No. It's not what we're doing. I don't have time to update it. You prefer the audio of mine? Is B doing the compo or the jam? Because I am doing compo and I have 1 hour 48 minutes. Gotcha. What color does this border have? It's CCCCCCCC. Where did it get that color from? I don't even know. Let's override the text color to match. Is it too subtle? I don't know. Find out in a second. Oh, they like expanded and everything.
How do you know you put above? You feel a little spark.
Not funny.
Okay, I don't like the margins anymore. I changed my mind. I changed my mind on the margins. I want it 3 everywhere. Final answer. Let's try it in big mode. Look how they like grow. That's so strange.
Why did the chicken
Oh,
farm
wait a
me
minute.
up?
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Just noticed that this did not grow. Where are you? This. Why didn't you grow? You know what? Here's the easy solution to this. Ready? Oh, what? Wait, why is it doing that? Okay, maybe this isn't the solution I thought it was. Okay, here's the definitive solution. Make unique, recursive, height 1000. What? Keep size. There you go. Now it'll work on any resolution. Congratulations.
My wife told me to start acting like a flamingo. I had to put my foot down. What do you call Santa's helpers? Subordinate clams.
I almost screwed up that. I
Oh
almost
my god.
almost whiffed the punchline.
That's our time. Have a great night.
Oh, what the heck was this? I didn't sign up for this. I don't want hover text that says joypad button 0 bottom action Sony Cross Xbox A Nintendo B. How do I get rid of that? Shortcut. Don't tell me this is like a feature. Please, please no. How do I fix that? Tooltip. Is it because it doesn't have a tooltip? I don't want it to have a tooltip. Mouse. No, I can't turn off the mouse events. Input. Oh wait, shortcut feedback. Shortcut in tooltip. There it is. Why is that the default? Who wanted that as the default? Like, wow, I really wonder how I can hit this button. Tell me all the ways I can hit this button. Let's add another shortcut to this. Because why not? Event key. Configure. Enter. Practical NPC rating me with party 9. Thank you. How was your stream? Welcome, welcome. Yo, 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 terminal root. Alright. We're working on a Ludum Dare game. Yeah. So we have, you can see in the right here. We have an hour 42 until our game is due, which is quite a lot of time. Here's how our game looks right now.
Flux capacitor, am I right?
Kind of whiffed that one. They found it funny though.
My wife told me to stop acting like a flamingo. I had to put my foot down.
Oh, nailed it.
Oh my god.
That's our time. Have a great night.
The final version will do more jokes per round, but I just have it short for iteration. That's the game. It's pretty simple. Yeah, I would have never seen that tooltip. And here's the best part. Okay, here's your life hack of the day if you're a Godot developer or really any engine user. Do this. Do this everywhere. So I have logic here. On next, if OS is debug build and count jokes is greater than or equal to 2, or count jokes is greater than or equal to 10. Because inevitably, this shortcut that I have in here for myself, I will forget to take out before I upload the build. And then I'll play it in the browser and I'll be like, oh no, I forgot to take out the thing. And then I'll have to upload a new build. I might run out of time. Instead, I just have to remember one thing. Build with release mode. If I build with release mode, all my hacks go away. Highly recommend. This is the best function in Godot. Thank you. Okay, I keep looking at my notes. We have tutorial marked as the last thing to do. One thing we could do. Game is looking great. Oh, thank you. We could do, okay. We have some options. We could do some juice, or we can add more jokes. What do you think? I'm thinking one of the ways we could add a little bit of flair is, I don't know if I want to do particles, but something that happens when you like successfully hit a thing. Maybe it like shakes or something. I don't know, but I also kind of like it how it is. I don't want it to be like too distracting from. See if I'm inspired when I just stare at it.
Why did the chicken cross the road? To get to the other side.
Alright, thank you for the raid. Oh, that
Watch
text
for me and I'm not happy.
overflows.
And outlaws are wanted. Not funny.
I love the
That's our
I love
time.
the heckles.
Have a great night.
The heckles are so good. Not funny. I think I'm honestly pretty happy with the visuals at this point. So maybe we just work on adding as many jokes as we have time for in the remaining like hour. Oh, one thing we could do. Yeah, let's do this now. So stuff. Let's do a build and put it on itch, and we can see if we have any problems. So what do we do? We do export. We should also add a add other exports. So Windows desktop is going to be the same. Build Windows. Oh, we need to name this game. What is the name of this game? Well, there's what the rest of our time is going to be spent on. What is the name of this game? Joke. Comedy. Okay. Good day. I have made a game for the Ludum Dare Game Jam. The theme was delivery, and I decided to make a game about joke delivery. It's a rhythm style game, but the twist is that there is no music. You time the beats with the words of the jokes. What should I name this game? Here we go. Congratulations on participating in the Ludum Dare Game Jam and creating a game on the theme delivery. Here's some potential names. Joke delivery beat. Rhythm and punchlines. Punchline timing. Joke runner. Giggle groove. Giggle groove. Beat the joke. Perfect punchline. Comedy cadence. Laughter rhythm or joke jukebox. Beat to the punch is pretty good. Cause it's like a double entendre. It's like, is it? I don't know if it is. Giggle groove is still doing something for me. So let's get some more. Sounds like you have a unique and interesting concept for your game. Laughter tempo, chuckle meter, gesture jam. What's something that conveys its a rhythm game, but also about comedy, but also just really funny? Need something really funny. Come on. How about Joke Jam, the hilarious rhythm game? This name includes Joke Jam to emphasize the rhythm aspect, hilarious to convey the funny and comedic nature of the game, and rhythm game to make it clear that it's true. Joke Jam is alliteration, so you did get me there. Hey, how's it going? We're trying to figure out a name for our game. I actually don't know if this is even within the rules of LD if we can do this, but I think it's probably fine. Oh, thank you for the sub. I don't have a sound alert. I need to get a sound alert. I was either into Giggle Groove or Perfect Punchline. I do like Giggle Groove. It's pretty funny. Um, let's just roll with it for now. Mac build, sure. Uh, games stop bad cop dot giggle groove. I mean, we might as well add Linux for the real gamers. Export all. Whoa, prepare templates. Given export path doesn't exist. Yeah? You sure? Windows. Mac OS. Linux. Apparently mkdir-p is too hard for Godot. Okay. Let's go HIO. You know, now I am kind of regretting putting them all in these folders. Let's run that back. um so that one will be index.zip. This one will be Giggle Groove Windows. No, export all. Release. Fish. Puffer. Hell yeah. Dashboard. Jokes. Dang it. At least you can select multiple here. We're uploading. This doesn't seem right. Oh wait, index.zip is a lie. Rip. That doesn't seem to work. I'm gonna have to make my own zip. So Windows, Mac, Linux. Wait, how is it 7 megabytes still? There's like no way. Is there a way? Hold on. Okay, let's try it. Uh-oh. I wonder if this is why I was having problems on CI. This looks similarly too small. Why is this happening? Yeah, this is not good. Oh, it's loading? Okay, that's good. Oh, we need to get the full screen button. Also probably make this wider. Why is it 640 by 360? What's like a more sane size? $11.52 by 648. That's what we've been testing with anyways. No, none of that.
Why did the chicken cross the road? To get to the other side.
What's up, gamers?
How fun.
Whoa. Why is... Huh?
10110
Oh, no.
100.
Look how many weird issues there are. What's happening?
How to act with love. You feel will act with. Flux capacitors, not act at all.
Oh.
You suck. What do you call a robot who always runs into the wall? Wally.
Why is...
Hog.
What's part of with as with segmentation fault.
I don't get it.
Hey, thanks for the follow.
I hate you.
Yeah, this is WebGL. Why is the text screwed up? Is anybody else noticing this? Let me screenshot it when it happens.
I had to put my foot down.
Yeah, this.
Use your words.
Wait, bruh, I can't print screen in time.
How as with with as
So bad.
That's our time. Have a great night.
Yeah, it's not in the numbers. It's the plus symbol is getting changed. And there was also some weirdness with some of the right-align stuff.
I any speed daily all day.
True.
I call it anagram and
This looks
Use your
fine.
words.
why don't as with
There's some weirdness with let me mute this. Hey, thanks for the follow. I can't. Okay, there we go. There was another weird issue. It's not the end of the world. Some of the text wasn't readable, which is a different problem, I think. Oh, come on, give me the joke. Oh, it's not gonna give me the same joke. Okay, wait, we gotta refresh. Because it has to cycle through all of them before you get the same joke again. I wish there was a skip button. Nice, 2500. Hopeless. It was the Z's that looked really weird. But I don't know if that's just the font or what. Of course, we're not going to find another Z. Yeah, here. Is this just how it is in this font? What the heck? I like this font, but that is not a Z. Maybe if we do a capital Z, it'll be better. Which one was this? This was this one. Oh, it is that. What if, can we stopgap with a capital Z? It's still bad. I hate it less when it's capital though. Okay, here's what we do. Z. So it's in robot joke 5 and 10. What is it in this one? It's also 0. Perfect. We can just capitalize these since they're the start of the letter Or sort of the word. Weird Z. Okay, what do we do about the plus sign? What's going on with this? What is this symbol? um Oh wait, this is the minus. This isn't a problem with the font, is it? One of the fancy ASCII hyphens? Does this font... Oh, thank you for the sub. You can't use a different font? Well, I mean, obviously I like this one. It just doesn't have hyphen. They didn't make hyphen in this font. Or plus. Okay. How do I edit a TTF? Anybody know? What's like the good way? Font Forge? Cool. You're gonna have to help me draw a plus sign. Me neither. Let's try it out. We got time. We got so much time. We got all the time in the world. But let's try and time box this to 15 minutes because we do not have that much time. Whoa, this is a vibe. Some Java Swing UI. That's the good stuff. All right, chalkboard regular. MS Paint. I don't think you can edit a TTF in MS Paint, can you? All right, we need 2 characters. Literally, we only need 2 characters. Where are they? How do I like find a particular one? Go to plus. Oh, right here. This is a different one. I have like 3 fonts in the game. Okay. How do I edit you? Edit. Oh. Alright, we're gonna make a plus sign. Probably something like this. Hype train is close. Anonymous gifter gives till Ludum ends. Wait, how do I use this appropriately? Help. Oh my god, it crashed. It actually crashed. Skip for now. Let's start over from scratch. I think I was... Okay, plus. Okay, how do I do this in like a reasonable way? Yeah, how do I draw a rectangle though? Maybe this? Rectangular ellipse? Hey, look, I have bits. I appreciate it. I don't I don't know how to make this. Can I move it once I put it down? Oh, I can arrow keys it around. Hello world. Hello. Ugh. Wait, what are the odds I can like copy paste this rectangle and like rotate it 90? Okay, we pasted it. How do we rotate? You've imported SVGs? Yeah. Well, that's interesting to know because we could just import an SVG of a plus sign. There's got to be a way to rotate. What kind of software doesn't have a rotate? I can, but they're not gonna be lined up. Oh, transform. Rotate. 90. There we go. It's not at all like centered in its is there a way I can center it? Element R. No, that gives me the ruler. We can harmonize though. Align? Where do you see a line? Withershins. Where do you see a line? Under your mouse. Really? Hi. I don't see a line. I'm gonna be honest with you. Oh, right here, right here. Line them vertically. No, come on. Hey, that's not what I wanted when I wanted them aligned. They've all been aligned. What do we just ballpark it? That right there looks about middle. All right. Now watch this. We're gonna copy this. We're gonna take it over here. We're gonna paste. Yeah, you with me? Minus. And that's how we can claim that this is a transformative work of this font and we don't copyright doesn't apply. What? Save it as an SFD? No. Save. No. Why do you want to make it as SFD? Make it what it was before. Resave. Okay, we have 7 minutes to figure this out. Should we make a new Z while we're in here? Since we're pros? Just like grab a Z from a different font, move it over to the other one. Okay, let's see. Can I just type TTF? Will you do it? Save as. It's the same. That's because they're two different fonts. Jamming is going well. We're editing a font because it's missing the plus sign and the minus sign. Export. I didn't see an export button. But I also didn't look that hard. We can generate a TTC. Oh. We can make a PFB. True type. That's the one. All right, let's just pave over our old one. Can I go into the folder? Thank you. Generate. Oh yeah, replace it. The convention is that true type fonts should have an EM size, which is power of 2. This font has a size of 1000. Do you wish? Yes. Apparently you can't have we didn't make a valid character. Missing points at extrema. Oh, wait a minute. So these aren't our fault. These are whoever made it before. We can fix the self-intersecting maybe. I actually have no idea how we'll do this, but you just gotta believe. Oh god, that didn't, oh no, we're just making lots of little rectangles. Oh, okay, that is very sensitive. I really appreciate that you can't make the window bigger. Okay, you can. Why doesn't it make it the same size as the... Okay, I don't actually know how to fix this, if I'm honest. What if we just do like a polygon around... What the heck am I doing? I'm lost. Okay, I'm found. Okay, here we go. We're gonna use the polygon tool to go... It doesn't snap at all. It doesn't even connect them. Oh my god. No, fonts are complicated. We can get a SVG of a plus sign though. SVG plus sign. Plus math. serious? Okay. Let's find out what happens when you export it with the intersection. Because I think you can. Just generate it. Just see what happens. Oh, it's really big. Should we make it less big? I feel like we should. Where the heck was transform? Scale uniformly to like 60%. Well, that was pretty cool. Let's do the same thing to this one. Look, I'm already a power user. I'm learning shortcuts. I'll turn off the validation. Look at that. Why is it so far to the right? Why is it so wide? Oh. Oh, look at this. It moves backwards of what you would expect, but this is the true game jam experience. Oh, the font I'm using doesn't have a plus sign. Time to design one. Why are you counting down? Look at that. We got minus and everything. Oh, okay. Less than 1 hour, but we finished the font bug already. Actually, right on time for the time box. We did say let's put 15 minutes on this. All right, let's close this program and never open it again. What? Oh, I wanted to do GA. Commit. I am a certified font smith. Okay. What's next? More jokes. I think that was the last thing in the book. Double check. Everything is crossed off except light piano and more jokes. And I don't think I want the piano. So let's get to work on some jokes. I got a whole 58 minutes to Oh yeah, I saw those. I don't a lot of them are like too long. Or too I don't know. Sorry. I have a few more that I already have audio of that I need to do. Before I start taking requests. But we're gonna basically tag team jokes between the human and robot. You're really testing the extensibility of my code. I'm gonna guess no. Yeah, I didn't think about it. To be honest, the robot's only there because I just didn't want, I wanted some variation. I didn't want it to be all the same voice. Yeah, if I actually use ChatGPT for content, I feel like that would be breaking the compo rules. Is AI allowed for Jam? Oh, it is, right? Jokes. Okay, so we got one about a blind man. Time to flex my... Oh. Wait a minute. Time to flex my Audacity knowledge. Documents. LD53. Yokes. Should we work? No, let's work up. We did flamingo, so we're on fish tank. Okay, so what's this joke?
The fish were in a tank. One looked at the other and said, "How do you drive this thing?"
That's pretty good. Okay, so... Two.
Fish.
Oh, this whole thing is fish.
Fish
Two fish.
were in a...
Oh god, that's so many words.
Were.
We're... In?
in a tank.
Tank. Wait, is this gonna be our first three-parter? Okay, this might break stuff. We don't have any three-part jokes.
One
looked
tit
wait,
tit tit
is that supposed to be at? Yup.
the other
Oh, you think it might be two?
tit
Yeah.
the
The...
ran
Oh, god.
the
Other... And...
and said
Said...
How
Ow.
do you
Why is that two words?
Do-
Do
You-
you
drive
drive
this
this
thing?
thing? Cue laugh track. Okay. Here's the hard part. We need to space this out. So we're gonna bring this to here. Then we're gonna bring this to be pause. And then that one's at like 5. So what's 5 plus, it's like 6.5? Yeah. Pause. And then oh, it's gonna be a long joke. Okay, we can do Control-Shift-W, Control-Shift-L, fishtank.txt. And then we come to here. Re-import, add element, fish tank. Well, let's put it up at the beginning, because we're going to want to test it. So let's tell the sequencer no shuffling of the jokes. Just load them in order. Let me practice what I preach.
The fish were in her.
Oh god.
One looked at the other and said, "How do you drive this thing?"
Yikes.
Oh, yikes. Come on, I thought I did a good job.
This is how Acton MB up. And this is your captain shouting.
Okay, seems like that one works. Thank you for the bits. Kick sent. How are you? Welcome to the chat. So this is not commented out. This is garbage code that doesn't exist anymore because we have a start button. Okay, we're officially at 20 jokes. How long did we spend on that one? That one took like 10 minutes. React.js stuff here. Welcome. Just poking around. Okay, we've got a fart jokes. Let's check out the fart jokes. What do we got?
I had to stop telling fart jokes. Someone told me they stink.
Oh, they stink. That one's kind of hard to. Yeah, this is Ludum.
I had
So this is. I had to Okay, that's just the S.
Stop.
Stop.
Tell.
Tell.
Oink. Oink. Oink.
Telling.
Fart.
Fart.
Joke.
It's a long S. Jokes. Uh,
Some.
some.
Someone.
I'm getting really good at identifying like the sounds of the letters. Told.
Told. Told. Told.
Told. Me.
Me.
1 hour left to update your title? Wait, is your title locked in after
Face.
they stink? Is that a real thing? Should I be worried? Oh. I thought you meant you have to like update your title before. I was like, what? It's some weird. Save this. We're gonna go to like 4? No, 4.5. We can go from here to here. Say pause. I mean, I wouldn't put it past this. Yeah, a bunch of people here have. In fact, they've done it a lot more than me. Okay, fartjokes.txt. Let's wait, it goes to another page? Oh, that's so annoying actually. How am I supposed to move it to okay, you can still move it. Here we go.
I had to stop telling fart jokes. Someone told me face stink.
Nailed it.
Hot.
Okay. What's next? Dancing dogs. What is this one even? I don't remember these.
Why are dogs bad dancers? Because they have 2 left feet.
Oh, that one's terrible. Okay.
Why? Why
Why?
are
Are
dogs
dogs
bad?
I have 25 at the moment.
Dancer.
Dan. Sirs. It's going well. How about you? This one should have a question mark.
Be-
B.
Because
Pause.
they have
They
they
have
have
left, feet. Yeah, I think so. I mean, it's pretty much done. We're just like adding more levels right now. Game's going well. What even is it for it to need labeled audio of jokes? Yeah, let me show you. So if I add a new element and we put in dancing dogs, bring it up to the top. Here we go.
Why are dogs bad dancers? Because they have two firm feet.
Seriously.
Aw, that wasn't worth a laugh.
And how to stop hurling fart jokes. Someone told me face stink.
Not funny.
I'm getting
That's
heckled.
our time. Have a great night.
That's the game. So now you know. We have, I think, let's see. We've got 3 jokes left to label, and then I think we're gonna call it. Because 25 seems like a nice number. I think I'm gonna have it do 10 per playthrough. So you'll be able to play through 2.5 times before you get duplicates. What the heck is chicken prison? If someone can figure out what the joke is from the title or from the waveform, let's hear it. You have 30 seconds. If somebody gets it right, I'll gift 5 subs. What is a chicken prison joke? You gotta guess what. So I like saved these audio files that are jokes, and I named them, and I can't remember what the fuck they are. So this one's called Chicken Prison, and it's like a setup and a punchline. A coop? I don't think it's a coop. Maybe. Any other guesses? I'm gonna play it. You have like less than a minute. Why did the chicken go to prison? It ran afoul of the law. Yeah, this is like 2 syllables, or like maybe 3. All right, let's try. Let's see what it is.
Why did the chicken go to prison? Tax evasion.
Okay, I remember this one. I wrote this. Okay, okay. I just want to say for the record, this was not rigged. I did not know it was one of the curveball jokes. I had no clue. I'm sorry. Oh, that got me good though. Oh shit. This game's got some jokes.
Why
Why? What do you mean boo?
Did-
Oh, jaywalking is funny actually. I did the
Chip.
chick.
Can.
Kin. Heard a little bit of a G in there.
Go.
Go.
To.
To.
Pris.
Prison. Oh. Question mark. Tax. Oh, this is gonna be a tricky one. Oh, that's part of tax? Holy cow. If
A.
A yeah, I guess.
Reason.
Jeune. One sec, I'm gonna go get some water. Uh, Okie dokie. So, here's what we do. Save. Grab this. Split the clip. Bring it out to like 4. 2.5 to 4. Add a pause. Yeah, it's the world's first rhythm game with no music. Well, probably not the world's first, but seems like an uncommon concept. These are you guys okay? Are you overlapping? No, you're not overlapping. You're fine. Overwrite that. Make a new label file called Chicken Prison. Perfect. Make sure we test it. Chicken. Ugh. We have a lot of chicken jokes. I think there's like 3 chicken jokes.
Why did the chicken go to Dungeon? Tax evasion.
Hot.
Why are not and
No, I wasn't ready. Oh. That doesn't count. Okay. The next one. Just random sounds. Actually, oh, I forgot. We were gonna do more of a tutorial. We're gonna do the pop-up that pauses the game when you first load in to like show you the buttons. Okay. Let's postpone doing jokes and work on that. Because I think that's more important. Because we've already got 23 jokes. Wow, you were first? It's crazy. Operation Explain the Joke. Okay, we have 30 minutes. There's a submission hour, right? Kubi, do you know? Is there? Let's upload a build before. Yeah, I'm pretty sure there is, but like let's not tempt fate. Let's get this done and then we'll upload a build. Okay, so what's the code flow for when you start the game? Yeah. What's so if we follow node, this is the sequencer on start. Oh, that's not the right one. Oh god, do we insert ourselves between start game 2 and start game 1? Do we introduce start game 1.5? I think we do. That's the wrong thing. Signals. One A. So signal 2 is what starts the actual first joke. So we can look for start game. So let's move to 1A instead of 2, so we don't have to rewire everything. And 1A can be hooked up to, what can we steal from? The summary box is kind of nice already. Where are we taking this? Paste. Tutorial. Layout. I can make you wider. 2, 8. Tutorial. I see your question, but I'm gonna answer in a minute. So we're gonna want a continue button. How do I disconnect you? Here. We can make this separator less of a crazy gap. So let's see. I kind of want the same. Actually, we don't want a continue button. And let's change you to be a rich text label. Oh, come on. Fit content. Normal font size. Really? Fine. Detach the script. Press up W or S in time in rhythm with the joke. Let's make this a little bit wider. 15, 5. L stick, analog stick, or bust. Will you have support for my DDR mat? Yes, of course. Actually, unironically, yes. I have controller support. So, you have to press both of them. Uh, if input is action just pressed, row 0, pressed 0 equals true. Hi, how's it going? It's coming along well. I'll show you in a second. Ready? What are we doing? Ready. We connect to the signals. But what signal? Start game 1A. Show once. So we're gonna say show. But we're also gonna do if pressed 0 and pressed 1 signals start game 2.emit return. We're gonna take this line to here and visible. We're gonna hide Can we play a little sound when you do it? Um, what do we have for a sound that we could reuse? Confirm. You're on the tutorial? Yeah, okay. What sound do we want to use? We got oh, we could use this one again. Or we could use some Sam sounds.
E.
E.
Um. Hack. Firm. M.
None of those are really. I think we do the score one. What's you win? Oh, that's maybe one of the robot ones.
Baz. Foot. No.
No.
Er.
Banana.
Ek.
That one.
Ek.
Maybe that one. Okay. Did I hook it up correctly? Also, is it gonna eat mouse inputs? Should it eat mouse inputs? Maybe it should. I don't know. I never know with these things. Press W or S in rhythm with the joke, or arrow keys if you want. It didn't.
Whitey.
No, I didn't tell it to play the sound. Confirm. Play. That would explain a lot. This is how the game looks now.
Ek.
Oh, it's weird because Sam bounces. So, okay, let's make it a Sam sound. Which one sounds the best?
E.
E. How about ah? Alright, Sam 2 it is. He's like warming up.
Why did the chicken go to prison? Tax evasion. Right. Why are dogs bad dancers? Because they have 2 left feet.
Oh,
That's our time. Have a great night.
crushed it. I like how you can see their feet and they're just standing there until you start the next like round. What are they doing back there? Just hanging out. Okay, and it shouldn't show it again this time.
I had to stop telling fart jokes. Someone told me face stink.
No.
The fish were in
Oh god.
Hacker on the other end said, "How do you buy this thing?"
That was not a very good joke.
That's how.
Okay. Tell you what we'll do now, we'll make a build, we'll put it up, and we'll submit it, and then if it turns out there is the hour, which there probably is, we will come back and do the last 2 jokes that I didn't do yet. But we'll do it out of order because safety seems nice. My game. How do I upload it? Title. Giggle Groove? I already don't like that name, but how do you pronounce Godot? 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 Godot. I like Godot. Do we want to call it Giggle Groove? I mean, I don't really have any other alternatives, so. Rhythm game where you say jokes. We'll update that later. Yeah, embed is not gonna work. Oh, we have to give source code, sure. Ludum. I've heard one of the like original authors say Godot. So I just have decided it's a free for all. Source code. HTML5 web. Bad cop game. Itch.io. Eagle Groove. Can't type this name. It's tripping me up. Pronounced Godot like tomato. Gomato? Godado? Someone was asking me how Ludum Dare is pronounced on Twitch, and I was in their Twitch chat, and I was like, that's how you pronounce it. I have used Butler, but my GitHub Actions weren't working for this project because Godot 4 is still buggy. So I just gave up on it pretty early on, sadly. I mean, it's probably not easier since I'm like building them on Windows. I don't know. Well, it would be easier, but it's not like it's hard. Like I come in here, I click upload files, I select the 4 zips, and then they go. Wow, it is. How did you know? Okay, what do I want to upload files to here. I can only do one at a time. Okay. The front of a game? I don't know what you're talking about. Did we talk about something before? macOS. We have not talked. Okay. This uploading is so slow, I'm gonna be late. I don't know. I'm just nodding and agreeing. Thank you for the bits. Okay, they're all uploaded. No, I don't want casual mode. I have read and understand the rules. Opted out. I worked alone. Created all the code, art, sound, music, and other assets myself during the event. Created everything in less than that. I included source code. Compa. Where is the submit button? You say if they're grayed out, but the selected color is gray, which is confusing. So I want publish. Let me make the itch page. Well, no, I'll do this order. Okay. So we take this one over to here. We change it to public. Okay, this is public. Does it play? Got it muted.
What's the from
Oh, it's that one joke that's broken.
Outlaws are wanted.
Oh, wait, what?
Not funny.
Why are these still broken?
Yike.
Are we not the pro font editors that we think we are, or did I not? It is the wrong version. It is the wrong version. It's fine on the Ludum site. It's the wrong version here because I uploaded index.zip, but I didn't like remake that. And yeah, I just need to make a new zip. Whew. I was gonna say, we squashed that bug. Wait, how do I get there? Upload files. I'm surprised it's only 16 meg. How is it fitting all the audio in there? Also, should we delete the one joke that doesn't fit within its... Should we delete the Outlaws joke? Nah. Nah, we're done. I don't care anymore. There's not enough minutes left to care. The theme is delivery. Yeah, okay, now this is the right build.
What do you call a robot who as runs into the wood? Wally.
Hot.
The fish were in her hack. One looked at the other and said, "How do you eat this thing?"
Get off stage.
Flux capacitors. Where heck?
Oh my god, I'm suddenly so bad. Hold on,
Yikes.
hold on.
What's 5 divided by 0? Segmentation fault.
Hot.
Why did the robot chicken cross the road? It was programmed heck.
I almost choked that. It's good.
My robot friend got arrested. He was charged with battery.
Nice.
How do robots pay for things? With cash, of course.
Thank you.
Why did the chicken cross the road? To get to the other hack.
Shit.
Why don't cats play poker in the jungle? Too many cheetahs. I put my grandma in speed dial the other day. I call it in
A little rough.
That's our time. Have a great night.
$412,000, not bad for first run. First official run. Okay, let's just check real quick that it still works if you play again. Yeah.
I got my matrix calibrated early. I was feeling a bit shifted.
Hot, hot.
What do you call and as helpers? Subordinate bosses.
I've actually never gone through the whole joke set, so maybe we should test that. Actually, I think I have.
What's the difference between in-laws and outlaws? Outlaws are wanted. Rafa.
Why did the Basin try to use the Baz? Because he wasn't wearing his fork.
Oil. Hot, hot.
Why are dogs bad dancers?
Why?
Because they have 2 left feet.
Hot, hot.
How do you know you were in love? You feel a little sadder.
Shoot. Looks like one of those AI generated streams.
This is your captain speaking. And this is your captain shouting.
Hot.
1011011011011100.
Rafa. I was going to tell you about time.
Oh.
But Emmy,
No.
Emmy.
Oh, it ruined my run.
Yikes.
Oh.
My wife told me to stop acting like a flamingo. I had to put my foot down.
Ooh, new high score. Nice.
That's our time. Have a great night.
Alright. Last one, because this should take us through the last 3 jokes. Let's see.
Why did the chief go to prison? Tax evasion.
Use your words.
I had to stop telling fart jokes. Someone told me face stink.
Hot, 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 hot.
Ha 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 ha.
A plateau is the highest form of flattery.
Hot, hot.
1011011100.
Okay, yeah. So it loops fine.
Hot, 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 hot.
Well, thank you.
I'm MB.
Alright, I'm closing it before we, Audience should groan when you tell the pun ones. They only groan if you, if you're bad. Oh, okay, we made it. The timer went off. There is a submission hour, but I don't think I want to do any more. Yeah, we just won. You heard it here first. Actually, if people want to play it and tell me if you find any bugs while we're in the submission hour, here's the link. Thank you for the bits. But I think we should make the, yeah, GG. Well, it's not over yet. This is the fun part now. This is the part where we get to go into other streams and heckle the people who are doing jam, because they're still going for another 24 hours. So we can do that. And then after that, we can play a bunch of games, which is really fun. Last couple of hours flew by really fast. Me deciding not to stream right now. You don't want to get heckled? We need to make a cover image. We gotta do all the assets, promote our game. So what size is it supposed to be for? Well, have a good night. Thank you for sticking with me. I'll be honest, like 12 hours ago, I was not convinced. I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna submit to Jam. It really came together in the last 6 hours or so. Like, for context, let me show you where we were when I ended stream. Yeah, it won't work in Firefox. There's a feature flag that you can enable that will make it work, but that's like expected. That's a Godot for special. There's Denby, I uploaded a macOS downloadable just for you. No one else is gonna use that. Yeah, that's why I uploaded the native builds, because should be good. Godot 3.6 beta. Nice. They don't have a weight, but they have what did they get? They got something cool. Oh, thanks for the follow. No, it's not time to play Gondo yet. We could do a run at Gondo after I make my cover image. Where do I see what size? Okay, cover image. Wait, you can have a cover image on. Wait. Oh, this, yeah, okay. The cover image is 640 by 512. It worked on Firefox for you? You must have the shared array buffer feature flag enabled. So what are we looking at here for making a picture? So it's covered on the, yeah, you really want to put it in the middle. So what should we make for the I mean, to be honest, I wonder if just a screenshot, what is it? It's I already forgot. 640 by 512. Oh yeah, Plant. Plant is it's a cult classic. Let me see. Do I just have any? No. Good night. Hmm. Oh, but I don't have the people on this scene. Well, let's just see what we get with the, oh, that's not it. Okay. Merge visible layers. It's a bit too big. Layer to image size. No, wrong button. Scale layer. 50? That gets us the right height. $40. Hmm. 30? Too much. 35? That's pretty good. I don't know. Do we want the black borders though? I guess it doesn't matter too much, right? Because when you look at this, like it's already cut off there anyways. Let me install this. We can do text. Oh no, wait. It's chalk. Oh, just the microphone? I was gonna put some words. Oh, maybe you know what we do? Okay. Neon texts. Do we do like a neon sign?
And on this GIMP path copy we created with the little holes in it, next what I'll do is come over here and set my foreground color, those extra elements to really bring this alive, and hit the enter key.
It looks too complicated. I thought there was just a built-in thing. Do we have... How do I pick a... Is there really no font selector? That's dumb. Oh, it auto-completes. Okay. Wait, where's my text? Oh, it's... Okay. What the heck is going on? It like doesn't even update. This is the worst text input of my life. Okay. Now it does. Can we find one that's like a neon sign kind of? This one's kind of fun. It's yeah, it's kind of fun. Okay. I think we have to save and restart it to Whoa. Also, hey Typecaster Mage. Did you submit your game? Hell yeah, send me a link. Actually, wait. Don't send me a link just yet. Give me 1 second. Let me turn on the bot and see if it works. How do I do this? LD Jam D3 through. Okay, now send the link. Oh, it crashed. Restart. Okay, wait. Hello? You have a link? Okay, that did not work. Oh no. Why do we even have the variable if we don't use it? Okay, try again. Look at that. Now that's a good bot. That earns you a bot snack. Where does it store the data? Your game is named Test 11? Well, I'm deleting it. Actually, how do I do this? Your game has been deleted. Because I don't want to like have it at the front of the queue and then like when I do start playing games you're not here, so just resubmit it when I'm actually doing that. But super cool. I'm glad you participated. So we open Untitled. Do we have access to... Okay, we could do chalkboard or we could do neon light. Is there a way to center text? You just kind of gotta... The comma at the end of the font name? Yeah. You know. Oh, nice. I didn't see that. I clicked the wrong one, and I was like, why isn't it working? Okay. Let's go a bit bigger. I think we can get up to like 80. Um. Oh. Wait, why is it not moving the selection? Oh, I gotta like pick up the selection and put it on a new layer. Then I can move it. I do like your idea of putting the microphone in open as layer. Do you have to do a lot of promotion for people to play your submissions? Or is there a little base traffic? So, yes and no. The way LD works, you have there's a ranking system that's based on your ratio of feedback given to feedback received. So if you play a bunch of other people's games, it'll bump yours higher. In like people's queue of what they should play. The other good way is like there's gonna be in the next 2 weeks or so, there's gonna be a ton of people streaming. And you can just like go into their chat and they'll have usually a queue. You can also stream yourself is a good way to get your game played. There's a lot of different ways. But you have to kind of engage with the community. You get back what you put in. How do I scale this? Layer, scale layer. I think we were doing like 35% or something. Oh, but that's not percent. Oh no. Yeah, no problem. Okay. Let's just pop it right there. Oop. How's this look? Export as cover PNG. But oh, in terms of promotion, definitely have a picture for your game. If you have this thing, nobody's gonna click it. So that's like the bare minimum. Kubi Man snagged the first comment. Oh yeah, that looks good. Okay, now we have to make the itch.io one, which has different dimensions because they hate you. 630 by 500. What are we at? We're at only 2 hours? What do you mean? The title? What time is it? There we go. Updated title. Minus 20 minutes left. Yike. Oh, yeah, that's what we're doing today. And what are we doing tomorrow? And remind me again, what are modules? Oh, okay, they're orthogonal to namespaces. Yeah, okay. I keep forgetting. Okay, what size does H want? 630 by 500. 630, 500. Center. It's kind of annoying. If you think about it though, like the it's like widescreen. It's cinematic, you know? It's a metaphor. Export as itch cover. Itch. That's nice. I've got a comment. Ha 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 ha. It's gonna be the top comment everywhere. I already liked that one. We're good. Let's check out Kubiman's game page. Wow, he's already got the picture and everything. Look at this advanced picture. That's all the rules. I don't know. I don't have a good joke comment. I need to think of a joke comment that I can post. What's a funny joke we could post in the comments? I'm gonna get sniped if I spend too long brainstorming. Uh, it's just not gonna happen. I don't know. I'm out of funny. I spent it all in my game, and I just don't have any funny left. So now we need some screen shots. So let's make this go full screen. Let's get some action shots.
Why did on ever to prison and accident hack?
Not good.
I'm trying to figure out the shortcut to get a screenshot.
Why are dogs bad dancers? Because they have to turn on the.
Did I get it?
That's our time. Have a great night.
Wait, what is this the screenshot of? Why is it at the beginning?
I had to stop from a firm. Some
Wait, why is it?
And
Okay, the full screen is not a good idea. What if we go windowed, but when we go 1920 by 1080?
Taxi act and
Okay, we got a screenshot that time.
Yikes.
why firm and Big hacky on hat and up firm.
Documents. GG's screenshot 1. We can start with 1. I mean, there's not really much else to show in the game. Oh wait, where do you even put screenshots here? I think you just put them in the body. Preview. Okay, what's a good tagline? Think you're funny? Try your luck on stage, being out live, stand-up performance. I don't know. Are you sick of rhythm games constantly syncing the beats to music instead of jokes? Then this is the game for you. You've got to time your jokes right for this crowd. Oh, that's good. Time your jokes. That's not. Um. Let's go in order of arrow up, arrow down, QA. I think we also have IJ. We've got ZX support, Xbox A, Xbox B. I think that's all the ones we put in. Yeah. No JK. JK would be interesting, but I really wanted it to be something that's vertical because it's too confusing. I tried it a bunch when I was testing with I tried it a bunch with A and D. Actually, I did keep horizontal ones. I kept Z and X. I forgot those were in there. But that's for the weirdos that play games with Z and X. Generic controller 1. I think it's 0 and 1 actually. Save. Done. Ha 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 ha. Mood 5 out of 5. Let's give this a description. Actually, let's the first musicless rhythm game. I don't know if it's the first. We're just gonna claim that until somebody tells me I'm wrong. It's probably not the first. Do we dare put this in the rhythm gaming category? Um Oops. Let's see. Oh no. No. Okay. Rhythm. App Store, no. Save. Then we can add the screenshot, which is GG screenshot 1. Why is there a download now button here? And then there's the whole project of decorating the itch.io page, but I'm gonna save that for another day because I just don't give a shit right now. I love that this is the first thing you see in the repo. We should rename the repo to be Giggle Groove. How's your delivery? Website. Godot. Oh, Little there. It's looking good. We can update this link. Has anyone gotten to try it yet? Did it load? Yeah, it's very hard. It's deceptively hard. Um, I know it has like the charm of a game that's not gonna be super hard, but then it just it lies. I'm noticing now that this is a little dark, but too late. I don't know why the UI is dark there. I wonder if it's on the same layer, then it's getting lit by this light. Get crimes? What'd you do? F. I see. Are you submitted? I'm gonna change this from the first to just A. I don't want to sound so cocky. Oh, let me. Do I want to play games right now? I think I want to get food. Um, let me. Where's my terminal? Oh, right here. Let me get you out of the queue. I don't think I want to play games right now. But I'll take a look. Let's see. Okay, more info later. Alright, I'll take a look at your code. No macOS build? Let's give you the unrequested code review. I like that there's final commit and then final commit part 2. Why does this look like my commit messages? You have Boyd's? Sheesh. Let's see how you're doing, Boyd's. True. This is taking me back. Oh wait, I can't get to it from here. Check this out. This is my first ever Rust commit. The PR is titled I'm sorry. The branch was titled Crimes Against Humanity. And the commit was called I've created a monster. Wait. So let's see what I did. I added a new line here. I made a fish movement update struct. I made a flock and a void and a match velocity function. Also some currents in the water. I got rid of Kuvi's code. this is a warning for a long time. The sad face. Const sad face. F32. I just called the functions. I don't know what's going on in this filter, but I trust it. I don't know what any of this says. Got some global RNG going. Yeah, this is super unconfusing. Voids is not a very performant algorithm, I learned. All right, who's live? Who do we go heckle? There's a lot of people live. Holy cow. What is this?
I wonder if I can like just.
I feel like this is my game taken to its logical like conclusion. Where you have direct control of the mouth. Oh my goodness.
Sweet. So I can change the size of the mouth, maybe depending on the volume. So how big would I want it? Like maybe 1.2 to 0.8. So maybe I'll have it range in like 0.2s. What if I just walked in on? You walked in on a masterpiece here.
Oh wait, my volume's super low.
La. Ra. That's what you walked in on, baby. Good God. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. Off changing side. I think I can
All
do
right,
it.
let's raid somebody because I need to get food and maybe sleep. Well, let's raid Cole because you won't expect it.
So if I were to, let's see here. Update vowel mouth shape. Update consonant. Okay. So we can do pushing air and the volume.
Thank you. It's been a fun one. Another Ludum Dare in the
See,
books.
this is the stuff I have fun with, not like all the architecture shit.
Wait for him to notice chat.
He's
Wait.
done it. Hey, guess what?